Hello everyone, this is Anamal. Today I'm gonna show you how to install VMware and how to configure it to install an operating system. I already have this software. You can download it from this link. I will share this link in my videos, and you can download from here. Try workstation 16. You can download this version, but I will install workstation 12, and then I will share you guys how to install a Linux operating system. I will install Ubuntu server. You should install, if you want to install it, you should download it from this link. Well, I will also share it in my video. Well, now let's go to the download it. Okay. uh, just a moment, wait. Software and tools, yeah, here is VMware Workstation. Okay, it's a very popular workstation software for installing any operating system. You can use it practice purpose and other testing purpose. Well, no need. Okay, next. Then it will take some time to installing it. Just a moment. Copying new files. Well, it's going to installing. I think it will be helpful for you to install other things. You can install here any kind of OS, any kind of you can test here. Um, that will I will share the type of videos step by step. Well, finish. Here the icon. Okay, I'm clicker. Installation done. So this is our home interface where we can create a new virtual machine which is work like your base machine. Well, click here, then next, and if you wanted to install any OS, um, you can select from here, and you can select the path here, then you can next. But I'm saying here I will install it later. Okay, Linux. If you wanna do Windows, you can select Windows, and you can here set the version, understand, and other things. Okay, I'll install Ubuntu or other Linux distro. That's why I'm select here Linux Ubuntu. Okay, you can select here 64-bit if your system is 64-bit. Okay, then next. Here you can assign a name of your machine, which name any kind of name you can use here. Well, I'm here write server one Linux testing. I'm writing here Ubuntu 2. Okay. Okay, you can select a path if you want to change. You can change here and you can uh, select the path where you want to create this machine. Okay, I do not change it. Okay, your maximum disk size 20 GB is default. If you want to increase or decrease it, but I will default right now. It's default. Okay, it's remaining sim. Okay, here you can mention which store way. You can select store virtual disk as a single file, split virtual disk into multiple file. You can select store virtual disk as a single file. Then it's very. I'm choosing this because it's very easy to move your virtual machine. Because here, if you select this, then it will create a single file. Okay, next, and then it's a very important things. You can customize your header um, from this interface. Well, customize. Then you can increase your RAM. Okay, I'll increase it to 048. Okay, that means 2 GB. Okay, here I'm going to say network, select bridge. If you select this, you will get IP from your base machine by default, and so then you will connect the on your system, and that IP will same series from your base machine, and you can communicate using this OS globally. Well, okay, you can also add other things like processor, processor number 234. It's maximum 16. Okay, core per processor. You can increase it. No need at this moment. Okay, and finally, if you want to select your OS, you can select from this interface here. Then you click browse and you can select your OS. Okay, no need. Now I will install it later. Okay, close and finish. Well, here is my virtual machine. That means it's like your base machine. Well, if you wanna do any OS install, then you can select it and you just here select this interface and you can select from this browser path. You can browse it and you can select the OS. Then it will automatically pick this that OS. Okay, thank you very much for today. Okay.